Alright, this is your Hollywood maintenance. Come check out on the heat. I just want to show you guys this on the VRF unit. This is the return air. But I wanted to show you this because, see, there's no airflow. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna take this off for now and put the screws back. In this fan coil unit right here on the VRF, her filter is actually over here. So, it should get airflow. We're going to put the return right here. So I'm going to start cutting the drywall. Okay, finally got the hole cut here, just like we said. Back this way is where they put the return. As you can see, you can't get any airflow on this VRF system. Here's the filter. So, I don't want the grill this way, because when you're laying in the bed, all you're going to see is a big hole. Just so it looks cleaner, I like to put it this way, so when you're looking up, you can't see in there. Looks more professional. As you can see here, this is the filter. Now we could actually get to the filter instead of through that hole here and trying to get it. Now it's easier to pull. This is a cleanable filter. Trying to work with one hand is kind of difficult, but see, now it's like a filter access too. I'm going to take this, go clean it where we have it out, and then go from there. I'm going to put the grill up. Alright, well, I just want to show you the finished product. As you can see, we have the grill, so when you're down here you can't see inside there, so you can see the filter. So now I'm just going to button this up. Now she's getting better airflow, and all I have to do is twist this screw right here. Alright, thanks for watching.